Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Suzuki 2-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is get a flat-headed screwdriver, and in the indentation at the top of the key just pop it in and twist, which releases the two halves of the key fob case. And there's your key fob battery. You get a flat-headed screwdriver, small one, underneath the battery, like so, and just pop it out. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get our new key fob battery, place it back into the housing, and we pop the case back on. Make sure everything is lined up, click it, test it, it's all okay, and you're all done.